So for this one, I'll also give you guys a hint. Let's do u to be square root of 1 minus ln x. Okay, to get ln x, square this and then put a 1. I square both sides, so it will be 1 minus u squared. Yeah, square both sides and then put that here, so we have that, and then x is equal to e to the 1 minus u squared du. So dx will be this thing, e to the 1 minus u squared times the derivative of that because of the chain rule, so negative 2u and then du. Let's see what happens. Alright, so this right here, we have the integral 1 over, I want to fix my hair. Alright, this thing is u, that's very nice, the whole thing is u. Dx is all that. I will put down negative 2u first, and then we have e to the 1 minus u squared du. Yeah? Now we see this u and that u cancel. That's good. We have negative 2. We can put that all the way at the front. And then e to the 1 minus u squared, we can do the following. It's just going to be e to the first times e to the negative u squared du. But this e can be to the front as well. So this is just negative 2e integral e to the negative u squared. And thanks to one of these guys, which is this version, we know that this is negative 2e. This is square root of pi over 2, the error function of u, and u is that thing, which is square root of 1 minus ln x, right? U is that thing. And of course, if you would like, you can cancel out the 2. And that's pretty good. And then, yeah, that's it. We can cancel out the 2. So cancel. And finally, I'll just write this down. Do I have enough space to do the next question? I'll write this down. Negative e square root of pi and then erf of square root of 1 minus ln x. And then plus c.